Fellas, you can do it. Keep going, guys. Keep pushing. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ready? Reciprocating bicep curls. Lift. Now, when I talk about reciprocating curls, I'm meeting at the belly button. Both dumbbells are meeting center at the belly button, okay? So you keep it going slow and control. Okay, I'm about to show you what's about to happen. Now, notice, Scott, feet together, knees together, elbows into the side. Now, what I want you to do is take your elbows, don't have them to the back, have them more toward the front. So act like my hands are here, squeeze into the ribs, but focus on having your elbows into the front of your ribs, keeping that reciprocating happening. Now what's happening there, if you're back here, you're working your shoulders. If you're up here, you're working your biceps. All the energy is going into the bicep. There's no stop and release, okay? Keep going, you're almost there. Keep going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, ready? Take it down, deep lunge, pulse down, pulse, pulse. Keep the chest up, shoulders back, back knee down, weight into the front of the heel. That front heel is pushing into the floor. You almost want to lift the toes off the front heel. You can do it. Come on, keep it going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch it to the other side. Real quick, switch it to the other side. Don't forget, if you're working on those bends, stay with Andy. All right, let's keep it going. I'm checking on everybody. The reason why I look to the floor is I want to see what's going on. So right here, if we look at Marlene, I'm going to ask Marlene to get that front toe off the floor. Get the toe up, okay? So if you lift that toe up, what happens is you're digging that heel into the floor, and it's working. You got it? Come on, you can do it. And 5. Great job. 4, and 3, and 2. Let's get... Now, the key to this is keeping your neck nice and long. So you don't want to get up there and lose your neck. Okay, you want to have control, keep the neck nice and long, lift all the way through, come down. As the elbows come together, squeeze and try to pop that balloon. And down, and try to pop that balloon in the center. You got it? Have control over your body. I want you to go slow and control. Slow and control. You got this. Keep the focus. Now, that's not the only thing that's working here. Also, what we have working is that core working. Tuck those hips under. Squeeze it in. Keep it squeezed. Are you good? There's your focus. I'm going to help Scott, but now I'm going to put some resistance against. So when you come down, don't just let gravity take over. Lift. And here, push it down. Push the resistance. Come on. You got it. Way to go. Keep it going. Keep the focus through the deltoids. And 5, 4, 3, 2. Squat pulse here. Come on. Take it down. And pulse. And push. Come on. Down. Now, what you want to do is let that weight fall into the floor. If you notice, keep the toes off the floor. Chest as high as it can go. You're not doing anything with the upper body. You're letting everything fall into the ground, okay? Everything falls into the ground. Check it out. I can shake Tanya's arms, okay? There's no energy going on here. Everything is going down, so she can put all that energy into the glutes, into the hamstrings, putting that weight into the heel. Amazing right there, okay? Chest is nice and high. Fist width between the chin and the chest. And there you have the focus. You got it. Keep it going. Come on. Keep it going. In 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Come down with me. We're going in the heel tap. And tap your heels out. Tap your heels in. Tap your heels out. Bring the knees in. Tighten the core. And then release. Now exhale when you bring the knees in. And push out. Now when you exhale, you automatically tighten your center so that you can get that ripped abs right there. Theta rib circuit, that's why I call it that. Keep the focus on your core. You got it. Stay in control. Bring it in and bring it out. Flow and control. Feel it. Crush all of that in the middle. You know, some of us have a little bit of fat there we want to get rid of in the core. This is going to just completely shred you and go for it. Okay, keep it going. Keep it going. You got about 10 seconds left, and you're going to keep the focus. Stay in there. Stay strong. You got it. How you guys feeling? Okay? We're about to go into some switch kicks. Keep it going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, switch kicks, go. Here we go, legs. This. Not out of control. This is running switch kicks. Again, just like the beginning, what I want you to do is push that heel out to the floor. Back knee bent. I don't want to round it back, okay? I need your chest out and you're pulling. You're working on the back. You're working on those lats. Come on, keep it going. You got it. Keep pulling through. Keep pulling through. Now act like I'm grabbing your lat, okay? My hands are wrapped right between your inner bicep and your back. That's your lat muscle. Every time you pull up, I want you to squeeze. Make it as hard and as tight as possible, okay? Keep it going. Ready? Switch to the other side. Come on, quick. Get there. You're right there. I'm going to ask God to push his chest out a little bit, and then I'm going to push him down just a little bit. You see that? Now my hand is on the other side. Come on. Isolate that muscle there. Isolate it. Come on. Feel it. Make it work. You got it. Squeeze the glutes. Come down. V hold. Hands down. Ready? Hip up. Keep the hands down. V. And lift. Come on. Hip up. Butt down. V. Lift through the lower abs. Come on. Hold it up there. Come on. Get those legs up there. Push those heels out. Down. Hip up. And V. Lift up. Come on. You got it. There you go. Keep it up there. Keep it up there. You got it. Come on. Down, hip up. No modifying movement for this. You're down on the floor. You're with us. Ready? Down. V. Check it out. See how these legs go up there? Lower abs are engaged. Do it again. Come on. Down. Hip up. There you go. And down and V. Come on. You got it. Keep the focus. And 5. Come on. One more hip up. 4. 3. And lift. Into a curl squat. Release and deadlift down, back, flat. Come up, curl, squat down, push the hips back. Here we go. Push through, lift up, and squat down. Try to get as low as you can. Push the butt out, back flat, core tight. Weight into the heels, come up. Weight stays into the heels. You get a nice squat going, and release down. Keep the focus. Come on, you got it. Keep pushing through as low as you can go while having the knees behind the ankles. Come on. Down and up. One more time that way. Down and up. Come back. Down and up. And again. Down and up. You keep the focus. Down and up. Stay there. Down and up. You got it. Come on. Down and up. Keep it in there. Down and up. Come on. Yes. Look at that form. Look at that control. Chest is staying out. Dumbbells just 1 inch from the deltoids here. Wait into those heels, Molly. Wait into those heels. There you go, homegirl. Come on. Down and up. Come on. I gotta get you. I gotta get you to focus on a lot of things. Come on. You gotta feel it. You gotta go for it. You can have the power too. Just stay down. Hands in the air. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up again. 4, 3, 2. Take it down. 4, 3, 2. Keep control. It's 1. Press the lower back into the ground. Shoulders off the floor. 2, 3, 4, and up. 2, 3, 4, and down. 2, 3. Keep it going, guys. 1, 2. Keep the focus. Down. 2, 3. Are you good? Up. 2, 3. Down. Slow. 1, 2. Come into seated position. We're going to the 5 count power abs. Here we go. Ready? Seated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Front leg bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1, 2. You got it? 3. Use your core. Reverse crunch. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hands down. V. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to C-sit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Butterfly in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse crunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down. V. 1. Come on. You stay there. You stay time is for Rift Circuit. I hope you nailed it. My name is Sean T, 25.